So it comes as a surprise to no one that if there are, homeopathic remedies for people, then surprise, surprise, there are homeopathic remedies for your animals and also your very pets as well. So believe it or not, if you're a woo-woo believer and you want your pet to be, good and healthy, then why not put them on the same non-proven medicine that you're probably on? And yes, this does exist, unfortunately. Because, believe it or not, these are the exact same talking points that are used when we are talking about, medicine we use in humans, as now we are using in animals. And they are the exact same talking point, right? And here are a few comments from the from the Facebook page of a holistic vet. The model of disease prevention put forth by conventional veterinarians is fundamentally flawed. It is, in fact, damaging the animals whose owners partake in it. So you've got, just change those words around. If you put, the model of disease put forth by conventional doctors is fundamentally flawed and is damaging to the patients who take part in it. Who knew? All you'd have to do is change patient to animal or pet and you could have an entirely new source of income. Because from what I've seen, a lot of these people are doing that now. In fact, there was a news story recently about one of these vets, the WOOWOO vets, or woo vets, as we'll be calling them. Basically, a dog had broken its leg and was left in pain for 10 days while she used remedies that would supposedly heal a broken leg. Didn't work. The dog had to be put down. So much for that. But anyway, we continue. This model of disease prevention will never change from Dr. Whitecoat's side, who sells it. He refuses to see the possibility of it causing harm. He's comfortable in it, chance losing, maintaining the status quo. Again, it's exactly the same marketing and selling points for normal woo-woo, except for your pets. He profits from providing it and profits again from the disease it causes. What a surprise. Here's another one. Did you know when it comes to feline leukemia, every single vaccine is unnecessary? Why? Feline leukemia is a chronic disease, and vaccinations by definition don't prevent chronic disease. It is very much an opportunist virus attacking and setting up housekeeping in only 10% of those exposed. What? This is exactly the same argument you see from anti-vaxxers. It's insane. And yet, from what I can see here, the Woo Vet's standard of practices, from what I've just been reading on their Facebook pages, basically, the only remedy that is acceptable is a homeopathic remedy. That is the only one you can use that is acceptable to them. The next one is that drugs and other normal conventional methods of treatment, you should stay away from them because these will prevent your pet from being cured. It's absolutely, absolutely ridiculous. It really is. I cannot believe that. Again, and there are going to be people falling for this, and it doesn't surprise me that it's the same people that believe in that woo-woo helps them. So here's the final one we're going to have a look for. The top 5 healthy ways for healthy pets. And I guarantee you that these are probably the biggest, the largest causes of pets dying and having illnesses. I guarantee you, if a normal vet saw this and said, yeah, these would cause illnesses. So first of all, of course, the top number 1 is stop vaccinating them. Number 2, feed them what their ancestors ate. Number 3, stop using pesticides to kill fleas. Number 4, stop using poisons for heartworm prevention. Number 5, give them raw bones for the whitest teeth and the freshest breath ever. So, straight away there are some quite really strange and stuff there that I would almost certainly question. Again, I don't know anything about, you know, pets' health, but certainly to me, 1, 2, 3, and probably 4, and I'm probably sure because somebody can tell me about, you know, 5, I'm sure probably somebody that knows more about pets than me certainly could tell me more about than that. But again, this is all money making. It doesn't surprise me. There's also a claim that someone says that, you know, that these homeopathic vets are lots cheaper than a normal standard vet. Of course, they don't say anything about whether they are or not. But of course, in normal homeopathic treatments and things like that, it's not the doctor's visit that's the money maker. It's the stuff that they can sell that's the money maker. So doesn't surprise me in the least.